Hello guys, and welcome back to TLR Creative Studio. Let's talk about it. Today in today's video, I'll be showing you how to save a certain section of the video straight in Shotcut video editor. Let's go straight to it. So obviously this is a video I just edited. I'll show you the link of the video on the comment section, or you can also click in the link above in the corner. So in today's video, I want to show you how to save a certain section in the video. Let's say I want to save from here straight from here. So you gotta go straight where you want to save, like your first part where you want the video to start. When you save, you go straight here. Then from here you just click M. So M is generally the marker. Then after clicking M, you click Control and go straight to that marker and select it and go straight to where you want to stop exporting. So you want to export straight from this part until this part. Then from here you go straight to this button, export, or I can also go straight here downwards, but it's the same thing if you come here or you come here. Then from here it will tell you want to export from the timeline, which means you want to export everything here. Then you come to click here, then you go straight to marker 1. So this is marker 1. If I want to export, maybe I have various types of markers, so this will be my marker 2. Come here, click Control, then you drag it and go straight to where you want to add. You can also come to this marker, click Edit, then you rename like your marker. Let's say like we call this 222. Okay, then you click Option. Also on this one you edit, then you call this one 333. So I want to export from here to here. I want to export 333 marker, so I will come here, which is my marker 2. You go straight to the marker that you want to export. So let me go to this one, edit it. Let me go to starter, or let's call it like a shot, a YT shot, shot. So I want to use this marker as my YT shot. Then I want to use this marker. I want to use this marker as my let me just call it a meta reel, because I'll be using it straight on Instagram and also my Facebook. So I want to export this one, like the YouTube shot one. Just come here, then you go straight to marker, then you go straight to export file. If you want to export another one, you come here, you go straight to meta reel, then you just export. It will also only export the second part. If you go to this one, if you go straight to YT shot, it will export the first one. So this is the same as marker 1, and this is marker 2. So thank you so much guys for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one.